Hello everyone. To start off the day, you need a good breakfast. So today I'm going to be showing you how to make spinach tomato omelette, and it's going to be very delicious. So to get started, I'm going to be having a few ingredients which you're going to find in the description box down below. So let's get started. So I'm going to start off by cracking 2 eggs in a bowl. Then I'm going to place the eggs in another bowl. Next, I'm going to be adding in my seasoning. So I'm going to add black pepper and salt. This is a recipe for one, so you can double up the number of ingredients and make for your entire family some delicious omelette. Once done, I'm going to move over to my stove top, and on low flame, place a pan and add cooking oil. Next, I'm going to be adding in my eggs. Add the eggs in my pan. Then I'm going to put the sides of my egg because I want the extra egg to cook. As the egg cooks, I'm going to place in my spinach. This is baby spinach. And because we are using low flame, the eggs are going to cook slowly, and so you're going to have a very nice and well cooked omelette. Next, I'm going to add in my cherry tomatoes. This is also to add some color to my omelette. So I'm placing my vegetables on one side. Then next, I'm going to place in some cheddar cheese. Flip my omelette on one side. And then I'm going to move my egg on one side. Then using a big spatula, I'm going to flip my egg. Just look at that. Press down a little bit so that my egg can fully cook. I'm going to give the other side a minute. Don't worry if some of the veggies spill out. My egg is ready, so I'm going to transfer to a plate. And this is looking so good. You can notice the cheese melting, the spinach is fully cooked, and also the tomatoes are cooked. My omelette is looking so delicious. So if you like, or if you want more breakfast recipes, you can check down in the description box down below. I've linked several other breakfast recipes because I have so many. So I hope you try out this spinach and tomato omelette, and you will surely enjoy. Catch you on my next episode.